Hey everybody, this is Carl from Abt. We're at CES 2020 in the Alpine booth, and we've got Chris here who's going to talk to us about some aftermarket mods that you can do for your Jeep stereo system. What are we looking at?
Right, so for the last year we've had a couple of solutions for that new Jeep Wrangler that we talked about, the 2018 and newer. We wanted to create a new sound system, or new speaker set to actually install into the soundbar.
Okay.
Right, so the soundbar from factory actually comes with a 4-inch speaker and a 3-inch speaker.
Mm-hmm.
We wanted to kind of give you more surface area and put a 6.5 in there.
Wow.
So what we're actually doing is creating this cool template that you can actually cut open the soundbar just to open up just slightly so that we can put this pod in. Now this pod has this premium grill on there. You can see that silver trim that kind of matches the design of our head unit as well, really tying the system together. So really great sounding speaker there. It is also weather resistant as well, because we know Jeep guys like to take the top off in the rain sometimes. So a really great solution to make your Jeep sound really amazing.
That's excellent. Now you mentioned there is a little bit of modification that's going to need to be done for this to fit properly, so you're cutting a little bit out to add this in?
Right, so this is the soundbar is all plastic. We'll be including a template to help you cut out that little space that speaker needs to get in there properly.
Okay, perfect. Right. So for the do-it-yourselfers, this is something that they will, if you're fairly handy, it sounds like you're going to be able to do all by yourself. Mm-hmm. All right, great. Some more great stuff from Alpine here at CES 2020. Make sure you stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming up.